If Flavor had a mic, it would drop right now. I'm gonna walk you through it. You're gonna do great.
When my wife said she wanted to do Greek tonight, I just knew she meant a good chicken souvlaki. But since we are cutting carbs, I needed something besides rice to finish it. And this was it. And let me tell you, this will be in your rotation forever. And we're back. And I'm gonna give you a tip, just to see how it feels. When you scoop out that flesh from the zucchini, don't go too deep. Otherwise, when you bake it, you're gonna get a limp zucchini on Greek night, and that won't be good for anybody. So get ready while we turn boring poultry into a Greek masterpiece. Now go forth, impress someone, or just eat the whole thing yourself. No judgment. Just remember to like and share, and you can thank me later. Voila.